When homeowners in Taylor look for smart ways to increase property value, replacement windows often rise to the top of the list, and for good reason. New windows don't just update how a home looks, they deliver measurable benefits that today's buyers actively seek. From curb appeal to energy efficiency, replacement windows can significantly boost both the perceived and actual value of a home in the Taylor housing market. Strong first impressions matter. Curb appeal plays a major role in how buyers evaluate a home, and windows are one of the most noticeable exterior features. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can make even a well-maintained house feel dated. In contrast, new replacement windows give a home a clean, modern appearance that instantly elevates its visual appeal. For homes in Taylor, where a mix of historic charm and newer construction exists, updated windows help bridge the gap between classic style and modern performance. Whether it's sleek vinyl frames or custom designs that complement the home's architecture, new windows make a powerful first impression that can increase buyer interest and perceived value. Energy efficiency. Buyers can see and feel energy efficiency has become a top priority for homebuyers, especially in areas like Taylor where summer heat can drive up cooling costs. Replacement windows with advanced insulation, low-E glass, and tight seals help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively than older models. Homes with energy-efficient windows often stand out in listings because buyers know they'll benefit from lower utility bills and improved indoor comfort. This efficiency translates directly into higher home value, as buyers are willing to pay more for a property that promises long-term savings and reduced energy waste. Increased comfort adds real value beyond savings. New replacement windows noticeably improve daily comfort. Drafts, hot spots, and outside noise are common complaints in homes with aging windows. Modern window systems minimize air leaks and reduce noise intrusion, creating a quieter, more consistent indoor environment. For families in Taylor, this improved comfort adds a lifestyle benefit that buyers appreciate. A home that feels comfortable year-round is easier to sell and often commands a higher price than one that requires immediate upgrades. Low maintenance is a major selling point. Many replacement windows are designed with low-maintenance materials that resist warping, peeling, and fading. Vinyl and composite windows, in particular, are appealing to buyers who want a move-in-ready home without ongoing upkeep. When potential buyers see that a home has newer windows, they recognize one less future expense. That peace of mind increases the home's attractiveness and overall value, making it easier to justify a higher asking price. Improved security and modern features. New replacement windows often include enhanced security features such as stronger frames, advanced locking systems, and impact-resistant glass options. These upgrades help homeowners feel safer and add another layer of value that buyers notice. Additionally, modern windows may offer features like tilt-in sashes for easy cleaning or improved ventilation options. These practical upgrades signal that the home has been thoughtfully maintained and updated, which positively influences buyer perception. A smart investment for Taylor homeowners. While replacement windows are an upfront investment, they consistently rank among home improvements with strong returns. In Taylor's competitive real estate market, updated windows can help a home sell faster and at a higher price by appealing to both emotional and practical buyer priorities. Whether you plan to sell soon or simply want to build long-term equity, replacement windows offer a clear advantage. They enhance beauty, improve efficiency, increase comfort, and reduce future maintenance, all factors that directly contribute to higher home value. For homeowners in Taylor, upgrading to new replacement windows isn't just about improving how a house looks today, it's about strengthening its value for years to come.